Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming drive form factor and interface. This ensures compatibility and speed. Once you have a matching 5 SATA or M2 NVMe drive and the correct enclosure, open the enclosure carefully. Use the screwdriver to remove panels and keep screws organized. You should ground yourself with an ESD strap because static can damage components. While handling the drive, avoid touching contacts. Make sure to remove any protective films and align pins before seating the drive into the connector. Now you install the drive into the enclosure. Align the connector, slide the drive straight in, and press until it clicks or seats fully. This guarantees reliable data transfer. Once seated, fasten with supplied screws or clips so the drive cannot shift. After securing, replace the cover and tighten screws evenly to avoid bending. Connect the enclosure's USB cable to the port using USB 3.1 or higher for best throughput. Finally, plug into your computer and wait for the system to detect the device. You finish by initializing and formatting the new external SSD to the appropriate file system. Choose NTFS for Windows, XFAT for cross-platform, or apps for Mac. Once formatted, copy a few large files and run a quick benchmark to confirm advertised speeds. This validates proper seating and enclosure chipset. If the drive isn't detected, check power and cable first. Then try a different USB port or enclosure. These swaps isolate faulty cable or enclosure issues. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.